Well, it's another first alert weather afternoon and evening today because of the really dynamic weather setup that we have right now, which means prepare to have your plans impacted, changed potentially this evening as we see some possible severe storms moving through the region. We have a higher risk of the severe storms today than what we saw yesterday, but most of the impacts will be very similar. Damaging wind gusts with some stronger storms. We could see gusts to 60 or even 70 miles per hour. Hail, blowing dust, lightning, of course, is raising that fire concern. Just continue to be very weather aware as you go outside at all today. If you hear thunder roaring, that's when it's time to go indoors. Storm Prediction Center puts out a map every day showing the storm threat across the region. So as you can see, most of the Northwest has a chance at seeing some type of storm or another. The lighter green is showing just the possibility of non-severe storms occurring. Darker green shows level 1 risk of severe storms and yellow shows level 2 risk of severe storms. Notice that Boise is included in that area. It is mostly just far west Idaho that has that highest chance of seeing severe storms, but then a good chunk of Oregon and Washington has that possibility as well. And looking at satellite radar, we can already see countless rounds of lightning firing off near that Idaho-Oregon and Nevada border there. So the storms are traveling from south to north, and they will continue to do so through the afternoon today. The storms picked up in Owyhee County already a little bit earlier than anticipated. It looked like they were going to pick up around 2, but as we just saw on satellite radar, they were already moving down there in far southwest Idaho. So by 2 p.m., they should be already traveling further north. They could roll through parts of the Treasure Valley, of course. Upper Treasure Valley and lower Treasure Valley is possible. Western Magic Valley probably won't see an extreme amount of action today, but we can't rule out a few stray showers or thunderstorms in that region as well. By 7:30, 8 p.m. tonight, it looks like the action is pretty much to the north and west of our direct viewing area. So things quiet down then overnight before the pattern repeats again for Friday to wrap up the work week. But one note for Friday is that it seems like things start a little bit later in the early evening hours. So 4 or 5 p.m. is when we may start to see those storms initiate tomorrow. But for now, we're already starting to see them cross that southern Idaho border. Winds are going to be a big concern today. This dark pink purple color you're seeing is showing gusts of 50 miles per hour moving through the region. They'll follow that same pattern where they travel from south to the north through the afternoon. Again, 2 to 7 or 8 p.m. tonight is probably going to be the most impacted time frame of your day. Make sure your plans are still intact. Maybe have some backup plans on hand just in case a quick storm rolls through. Could bring lightning, could cancel some outdoor events or activities. By tomorrow, we do still have that chance for thunderstorms, but we are settling more and more as we move forward through the weekend. Next week looks a lot better, a lot more settled.